Let's have a look at these small and compact chargers from Baseus, however you want to pronounce it. These are 60 watt chargers, have 2 USB Type A and 1 USB Type C. The 2 USB Type A supports Quick Charge 3.0, and the USB Type C supports power delivery up to 60 watt if you haven't connected any other devices, or 50 watt if you have connected up to 2 USB-A devices. So you can see, of course, specifications here on the side. So this means you can charge your laptop up to 60 watt and also charge your phone, tablet, and smartwatch or whatever. That makes these the perfect travel companion. And of course, you can get them at a relatively good price, around $20 plus minus, of course, depending on if it's on sale and such. Of course, you can find a link down in the description if you want to check these out. But let's just have a closer look at them and actually just compare and test and see how well they will actually charge my devices. And of course, this is an unboxing, nothing else in the box. Let's just have a look at what we actually got with these. Of course, you get some quick start instructions, and you also get thank you card for choosing the Baseus, or however you want to pronounce it. A little warranty card here. The instruction is in English one side and Chinese the other side, and of course you can find the specifications and everything here. Let's have a look at the devices themselves. Of course, they are very compact. You can get them in white and black, but the white one for my girlfriend and the black one for myself. And like I said, I think these are the ideal travel companion. And some more instructions in the bottom actually. And of course, a warranty card, and again, a thank you for choosing Baseus. I kind of overlooked that the first time. But yeah, you get a set of stickers only included with one of these devices. So it appears that the packaging is a little different compared to which color you get. A little weird. But anyways, let's have a closer look at the devices themselves. Very compact, fairly lightweight, and like I said, can charge up to 3 devices. One for your notebook, the Type C one is a power delivery. The 2 other USB Type A is a Quick Charge 3.0 compatible. And this is, of course, the European version. Depending on which country you live, you should buy, of course, the plug that correspond to that or correspond to the country where you want to travel to. But let's just weigh these and see how much they actually weigh. Black one, 136 grams. 136.4 grams to be exact. And let's just have a go at the white one as well. And it's actually a little heavier, which is kind of odd, but maybe the white plastic just weighs a little more. Still very compact and very lightweight, which is of course handy when you want to travel with these and have them in your carry-on luggage. Let's remove the plastic and packaging material. The black one was a little stuck, but you can see here the plugs. Of course, like I said, both the USB Type A plugs are Quick Charge 3.0 compatible, and the USB Type C one is the power delivery one that can deliver up to 60 watt if you use only the USB Type C plug. If you use USB Type C and the one or both of the 2 USB Type A plugs, it will go down to 50 watt, but that's still enough to charge like a MacBook or an Ultrabook Windows laptop, as long as it doesn't require more than 50 or 60 watts of current or power to the computer. So, of course, you cannot charge bigger MacBook Pro like the 15, 16-inch and such high-power computer laptops. So that's really not the scenario where these come in handy. But if you want to travel light, you carry on your MacBook Air or an equivalent Windows laptop. These are very nice, I think, and perfect travel companion. But let's just try and plug them in here. Of course, first off, let's try plugging it into USB Type-C using my MacBook Air. This is a 2018 MacBook Air, so the lower wattage version comes actually with a 30 watt, I believe, power adapter. But you can see here, when you've just plugged in the USB Type-C connection, it delivers 60 watts straight to the computer. And that's actually twice as fast as the charger that came with the MacBook Air, which is, of course, will charge the device twice as fast. Let's try and connect 2 USB Type-A devices, one Android phone and one iPhone. You can see my Android phone here is in the frame, It is quick charging, and I've also connected my iPhone 11 Pro Max. Both are charging, and then the wattage drops down to the 50 watts. So that's still quite a bit faster actually than the charger that came with the MacBook Air, for instance, and also plenty fast for most Ultrabook Windows machines. I've of course tested with a 2018 quad-core Ultrabook Windows machine. Works very well and had no issues as of yet. Actually, they have both been very reliable, and I really recommend these fantastic travel adapters. They are small, compact, lightweight, and fairly inexpensive. And of course, you can charge all your devices on the go. So highly recommend these. Of course, you can find a link down in the description if you want to check them out yourself. Else, I hope I'll see you again in a future video. But that's been it for this one. Take care.